Hello everyone, we are in Photoshop, so let's edit using the Photoshop options. I will select that part of the image, make a layer via cut. So here is the adaptive wide angle. We will use that and scale up. For more, we will use to edit with the camera raw filter. So there is the camera raw filter. We will apply on it certain here, add some exposure. Here is the clarity, vibrance as well. So for the further I will use that adjustment options. It's a curve here, we can apply the curve so that it is. Thank you for watching.